Good morning. So I did want to say before I do anything, thank you so much to everybody out there that's watching, especially the OGs. They're really being nice and supportive and saying, oh my gosh, welcome back. I want to see more recipes and stuff. Y'all know who you are. And even the new ones are being really super sweet. All of you guys are so sweet. All right, that's enough mushiness. She likes looking. All right, need to straighten up my hair because I'm about to go to physical therapy. So that's gonna be another test. Am I gonna be hitting Little Caesars or not? It's gonna be a no, but it's still there. And I need to go to Kroger's, which is right there. Any guesses? Comment below before you watch the rest of this video. Which one did I decide to do? The pound cake or the dip? Okay, I'm headed out to physical therapy. Put your votes in now, because I'm gonna be headed to the grocery store after physical therapy. Y'all, I always get here early. Y'all see what I mean? Y'all see what I mean? This man is killing me. He's making the best smelling barbecue ribs, and I am dying because they have barbecue sauce on them and I can't get them. Okay, push it through, push it through, push it through. Oh my God, y'all. My legs are like jelly. I'm trying not to think about barbecue ribs. Y'all, so I'm thinking about saving money and getting my dad these chips because, you know, he's not keto, right? He would kill me if I didn't get Fritos. Got the pork rinds, original. Cream cheese. Y'all, it is so dang hot here in Texas. That rib guy, I had to walk back by him to go to my car. All right, y'all, I'm hungry and it's 10:46 a.m. So I'm gonna make myself my little lettuce switch. I'm gonna use the rotisserie chicken and I'm just gonna add the piece of roast beef too. Yummy. Because I'm not gonna have too much protein for dinner, which is just gonna be something. All right, got my little lettuce thing. It's not perfect. I'm gonna add a little bit of this guacamole sauce. That's gonna go bad pretty quick because this was so delicious. And I'm just gonna spoon this stuff on up here right good. Sprinkle a little bit more of this. Boop. It doesn't look pretty, but it's darn good. Before I go to work, I was gonna say insert joke here about my yesterday talking about spending money, how I wouldn't spend any money on stuff like this for a week. Do we notice anything wrong with this picture? So then I got my trusty Gorilla Glue and it's glued itself shut. I'm going to work. See, even they're trying to figure out why they don't have two antlers. Figured out which one I'm gonna do yet? That's right, I'm doing them both. This is not gonna be a regular recipe video. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my thing, and there you go. Y'all need to see me cutting up an onion. Crying like a little baby. I'm not gonna do 3/4 of a cup of an onion. No. I'm not messing up my makeup. This seems like 3/4 of a cup anyway, right? Right. Don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit 6 in here. Boo. Cook up but good. Yeah, that's good. I forgot my microphone. Did y'all see my keto meal prep? This is my lovely foil. And that just scared the crap out of me. Did y'all hear that too? Because that sounded like a knocking on my fridge. And I don't have my ice cube tray working. The hell? And I'm burning my bacon. I can't multitask, people. Where do I go? I don't know. I'm so discombobulated. We're just going to do this. It's a little burnt, but we all know me. I don't even remember what I do. We're just going to slap it all in a bowl. Always shred your own cheese. You know that, right? Boop, 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 boop. Okay, that was so fun. That's what I didn't even time that, y'all. Never have enough cheese. Come on. Come on. I'm going to be putting some Monterey Jack. Actually, it's pepper jack, but they call it Monterey Jack jalapeno cheese. Does this look like 3/4 of a cup? Not really. 8-ounce cream cheese softened. Come on. Whoa, that's a lot. I just crumpled up my bacon in my hands. Okay, here's the problem. W sauce, I'm not going to pronounce this. It has molasses and, like, if it's even the cheaper brand, some other things in it. It's not going to be good. I do have, that's not going to be good for strict keto anyway, but I do have a recipe for W sauce, and so you can look that up if you're strict. But I'm just using this because no other keto people are there. And it's just me. Tablespoon, teaspoon garlic powder, and a little bit of salt, pepper, now salt, just dashes. I'm just going to heat it up in the microwave. Got these cute little things from Amazon. If I remember, I'll put a link below. See? Do this. I'm going to pop these in the oven for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to take them out, put some more cheddar cheese on them, pop them back in for a couple. Oh my, yes. All right, here's mine. I'm just going to have a little bit of this for dinner if y'all are wondering what I'm going to eat. All right, take a look at that. Man, is that good. This is so bad. I didn't even move from this spot. I just ate, yeah. Okay, so that's not bad, right? I mean, it's just a little bit. That was my dinner. Okay, we have 4 ounces of cream cheese, 4 tablespoons. I'm gonna add 4 eggs. I don't remember how the recipe is. I just wrote down the ingredients, so I'm just slopping it all together. Probably not the best decision. We'll see. 2 teaspoons vanilla. 3/4 of a cup powdered swerve. Y'all can use allulose or anything like that, but most of that comes granulated. And I think this needs to be powdered. I don't know. I've never tried it without granulated. So if you need to powder those, then use a spice grinder. Otherwise, you're out of luck. 3/4 of a cup. Beat this sucker up. Oh, I have 1 1/4 cup of almond flour in here and a teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Do I really have this in my hair? Lovely. Now, if you're completely strict and you can't use baking powder, then use the 2-to-1 ratio baking soda creamy tartar. But which one of those? I can't remember. Beat it up. I had to go back through my video, and I think it was 1 1/2 cups of almond flour because mine was very thin. But I also do recall you have to beat this quite a bit. So I'm going to beat this up a little bit more. Sprayed this with a little coconut oil spray. And we're going to pour it in here, pop it in 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. Y'all, okay, I forgot that I took a bite, but I mean, it is so good. Yum. This is where I put icing on it too, but it's fabulous plain. I know what you've been thinking. You went to the grocery store, you spent money. I was allowing stuff for like gas, food, things like that. What I was primarily talking about was the only 1 antler deer over there. Don't look at my deer. I need to fix them before they're seen properly. Anyway, fair warning on this for sure. You don't want to have too much of it. So just have like maybe a slice and maybe a slice and a half or something tomorrow, possibly 2 if you want to. But don't just have it the next day and the next day and the next day until it's all gone. You don't ever want to do that with dessert replacements. It's just a bad idea. Bad. I was noticing y'all leaning, of course, more towards the pound cake, but I was leaning more towards the dip. So I was just like, I'll just do both. Anyway, if you guys want another dessert recipe, I've got about 8 of them in a playlist. I'll put it either here or here. Don't know where it is. All right, you guys, like and subscribe. See you guys next time.